why doesn't she like get another bag? Because all I see when she comes to my school or like anywhere, she always brings that. So I'm gonna ask her a few questions. She's coming.
One look and I breathe.
Hi, Anika.
Hi.
Let's go.
I was gonna ask you a few questions.
Yes, what is it?
Why do you always bring this?
Oh, that bag? Why?
I wonder.
Why are you wondering?
Because
Just,
you always bring it.
I always bring it and I always bring my stuff because it's all here. Why?
Can I see what's inside? It's a bit small kasi.
It's smaller. Yeah, it's actually a smaller bag. But, you know, all the stuff that I carry in my branded big bag can fit all in this locally made bag, leather bag, and it's pure leather also. You know how it is with mom. I like real leather because it is more durable and it is made from cowhide leather. For the price for this one, ate, it is very affordable, I must say, compared to my
Other
branded
bags.
yeah, my branded bags. It's very sturdy. It is not heavy. It's very light.
Where did you get it?
Well, this one I got it from Bag Theory Manila.
Wow.
I saw them on Instagram. I feel like I needed a real leather bag that I can go casual, formal, even for meetings. Thinking what's inside my bag?
Yeah.
You wanna see?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Because there's a lot.
Yes.
Okay. So while we are just here in the parking,
Look in
so
the
for
bag.
this one, of course, it's a zipper. And the zipper is really smooth. And
Like
since it's parang hobo siya, there's a technique on how you close it like that. So this is what's inside my bag.
Is it
A lot. First off, what's this?
It's a mask.
Mask.
From last time we went to Best Friend.
Tissue. So when you...
Count how many times you see stuff in my mom's bag.
Oh,
It's a camera stand.
camera stand. What's this?
That's our flashlight fan.
Flashlight
If
and
you
portable
know what
electric
this
fan.
is, but you say it's just a normal flashlight, then what is this?
It's, yeah, portable electric fan. What's this?
That's your charger. For
My
the
charger or
phone.
power bank.
That's your purse.
Is my wallet.
It's
Okay.
a wallet pala.
And this,
It's a tiny wallet.
a tiny coin purse.
It's cute.
With all
I
my-
like it.
And inside this one, I have a kikay pouch. See, I have nothing anymore.
Okay, let's see how many things that mommy has in her kikay pouch.
Kikay pouch, okay. What's this? A bag hook or a bag holder.
A bag hook.
Okay, of course, we have to go fresh all the time, so I have mints.
I want to say it.
Okay. Oh, what's this?
Cologne.
Cologne for my daughter and my son. Para I
Yes.
have spare cologne in my bag.
Because Steffi gets sweaty all the
What's
time.
this?
That's another
Another tissue. Okay. This one.
That's my gift.
This is a gift. It's also a cologne, but I usually use it as parang hand sanitizer, ganyan.
That's mine.
And this one is when I feel like I ate a lot and then it's like parang nagagas ka or naga-acid. This is what I drink for emergency.
It's a weight loss.
No, it's not weight loss. No, it's for acid. For acid reflux.
Oh.
This is
Sunscreen.
no, it's not a sunscreen.
What is
but
it?
this is a sanitizer lotion. It smells so good. Of course,
Can I smell
to
it?
sign contracts, there's a pen.
Could you like
Perfume. There, perfume.
Daddy sneeze?
No, not this one, not this one, not this one. It's a different smell.
Smells good. I wish you guys could smell it.
Okay, this one.
This
is my collagen drink. This is from Frizzy. No, this is not a weight loss drink. This is an oil film. You remember?
Yeah.
The one that I use for my face whenever I get oily is because I don't really do any retouch. I don't use powder.
It's oily.
No, it's not oily.
Joking.
This one kasi feeling ko singer ako. This is Camilo-san. This is the throat spray.
I really don't like that. When mommy tried it on me, I just open the window. Blech.
I have this.
Eye droplets.
Eye drops.
And this is for the camera.
I have 2 batteries.
All of the makeup supplies.
I am obsessed with anything.
Makeup!
Not makeup. I am obsessed with anything for the lips. So, I have this Get Ready With Me.
You wanna
Tequila.
You wanna see the color? Okay.
This is tequila. This is actually the black something, black lippy of
Can I try
Clinique.
it? Can I try it?
Here.
Okay, I'll show you what real color it is, not a black kind of lip.
It's not black. Okay. Just gives you that, oh, the honey black. It just gives you that natural color of your lips, but better.
It's nice. I like
And then
it.
I have this from Strokes also. This is actually the Velvet Click Stick in the shade Contessa. So, yan. Ito yung lipstick ko. Another one is from MAC. This is the travel size lipstick.
And you wanna see the color?
Okay.
Wait, I forgot how to open it.
Yeah.
This is the color. It's
Okay.
kind of like a purplish color.
Deep, deep maroon purplish color. This is Rebel. So if I want to go medyo parang rebellious, I use the Rebel lipstick.
Okay.
And
so,
then,
Daddy might be thinking, why are they taking so long?
so I use still the Body Shop for my cheek tint, for my liquid tint, for
But it's also for lipstick.
yes, for lips,
Can I try
lip
it?
and cheek tint. No, na, you have lipstick already. Talaga. I have this gloss. I have this gloss from O2O and I love the smell. This is melon.
Can I
It
smell
doesn't have any color.
Oh, it actually smells like
It doesn't have any color, but it's nice because hindi siya yung parang velvet type of tip na parang dough applicator. It is actually silicone.
And
then
finally,
the final, the last one.
Okay, comment how many stuff you saw in my mom's purse.
So this is my go-to lip gloss tint. This is again from Strokes. This is the Silk Kiss Misty Amethyst. I love the shade. Purplish siya, but you know, sakto lang siya sa shade ng color ng lips ko kasi medyo dark yung lips ko. So anyway, that's what's inside the bag.
If you wanna see what we're gonna clean up now, here's what the kids see.
So this is what inside my bag. Hindi na
Okay.
kasama.
I am not clean.
So Anika, fix my bag.
It's your bag, you fix it. Bye-bye.
Bye guys! That's what's inside my Lulu mini hobo bag from the Bad Theory Manila. So if you want to purchase like this is in the shade tan. This cost around 3,000 pesos, and then they actually deliver via third-party courier. So makukuha nyo kaagad yung bag ninyo. So it's really, really nice. It's very, very nice. Ang lakas makasosyal.
Okay,
Till
now
our
you.
next-
Okay, now you clean it up. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
One love.